genetic mutation, yes, corresponds to something that has gone wrong in the DNA. Most diseases that we know involve some type of protein that's gone wrong. And a lot of those are genetic diseases. Genetic diseases, you can get your DNA tested to see if you're more likely to develop a disease because of something in your DNA, a mutation that you might have. What does your DNA have to do with a disease? And in biology, we have this thing called the central dogma, where essentially we have our DNA, which Shahir talked about, that carries the information, the instructions for how to make all of these proteins that we've been talking about tonight. So all of us have DNA, and a lot of that DNA is going to be very similar because we need those proteins to do basic things like digest our food. The differences that we have in ourselves are due to changes in the DNA, but those are inevitably going to lead to some type of difference in a protein. So with a genetic disease, essentially what happens is Shahir talked about the language of DNA, those four letters, T, A, C, G. But there's also a language of proteins. And if we have our DNA, which you can see here at the top, they're paired into groups of three. So each word is three letters, essentially.